chopping a spring onion can be a bit of a confusing thing, knowing what to leave and what to use. So here we are with a little bit of a guide as to how to chop a spring onion. So first of all, we want to peel away any of the dry bits. Sometimes there might be lots, sometimes there might not be very much, but just peel away anything that feels dry, mainly just one of the outer skins. And then what we're going to do is we want to pinch along the stem of the spring onion to see when it stops being crunchy. As soon as it's a bit floppy or not got any crunch left, you can pinch it off at that point, or you can chop it off at that point. We don't want anything that's not crunchy. The rest of it, we just want to chop the hairy bit off the end. And this is the amount of the spring onion that we're actually going to chop. And then we just use a rocking motion with a guide from our fingers, and we just slowly go along the spring onion bit by bit until we've chopped it all. And that's all the spring onion chopped. Enjoy. Don't forget, there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go. Or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.